Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. And, this is my 501 video. So, I just want to show you something here. This kit that I'm working on is my 501 video right here. So, I don't know, I'm thinking later down the road, maybe next month, doing a little giveaway. But since it's the 501 video, let's show this off, and maybe you guys can give me some ideas what I can do for my uh, next videos after the 501. So this is what we got for the Jinx Express by Tom Daniels. I worked on the putting the engine together. I got the coal shifter right there. I got the interior in there. I know you can't see much in there, but it does have a steering wheel, dash, and if you watch my other videos, you would see that it has the decal package on there, NASCAR decal package, which I love to use those decals, and also a AM radio inside there. I just don't know where the speakers are in that thing. But this is the chassis I was building. Here's the undercarriage of it. That one wheel just won't go any further, and I don't want to break it. So I love the chrome. I love the gold. It just it goes together very well. And I accented the exhaust pipes on the sides here. I put a little black right at the end of them. So it looks like it just got done breathing fire out of that big V8, which very limited detail on this. I think I used a Tamiya blue on that. Used a Tamiya NATO brown for the carpet inside there. I know you're not going to see it, but you know, that's me. I just got to paint it. Then I left the base. I did the rest of it in gold. I drilled the holes out for the the guns going all the way around. So did that, and also added a license plate, a Gotham City license plate, since it is a Phantom vehicle by Tom Daniels. So, and I used the decals it did come with. I just used a semi-gloss coat on there, which came out good. I got to put the periscope on there. I put white behind the headlights thinking I had clear lenses, but I found out they were chrome. So that kind of backfired on me. But if you can see it in the back in there, behind that green glasses, which is totally cool, is the one seat for the driver and the roll bar. And for my little added touch, if you look in the back, there's an American flag in there. So here's one for a great one for 4th of July and others, and a perfect summer one. And then you got the combination right here, the combination lock. That doesn't really spin too well because it is just like snapped together. But that's what I got so far for you guys. And like I said, I'm taking hints on what I should do for my 500 plus plus one videos. And thanks for watching, and have a good day, guys. All right, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage videos, part 2 of the last video you just seen of the 501 video. I just want to show you, I just through the magic of video etiquette and editing and all that, I was able to complete the Jinx Express, and I hope you guys liked the video. And thanks for watching the video series on this one. This is a very fun build for me, and it fits in with my other show cars. So thanks for watching, and have a good day, guys. I'll put a slideshow right after this. That way you guys can see the build up on it and the and everything else with it. So very fun kit. I suggest you guys go out there and get yourselves a copy and build away on it. All right, see ya.